So yes, myofunctional therapy can help with mouth breathing and snoring. The reason for that is if you're constantly sleeping with your mouth open, your tongue is postured low in your mouth. We want our tongue to be resting in the roof of our mouth at all times. We want our lips sealed and we want to be nasal breathing. So if you're doing those three things, you're most likely not going to be snoring. You're going to get a good night's sleep. You're going to have good heart health, hormone health. Mouth breathing contributes to a lot of issues such as, heart health, hormone issues. If you're not getting good sleep, think about your hormones. They're constantly going to be out of whack. I know, I'm like talking to you,
I know,
Joel.
Stop.
You're ready to start your myo back up.
Like, wow.